So you guys have your favorite image. You want to convert that into amazing different styles like cartoonish, anime, vector, and even GTA style images as well. Well, you can do that in Dzine AI completely for free because Dzine.ai is offering free trial for you guys. So now is the best option to try it out. So without a further ado, let's just jump right into the video.
Alright, so as you can see over here, we have different options like text to image, image to image. So I'm going to be telling you guys about the both of the options over here like text to image and image to image. So first of all, I'm going to be giving a try to text to image generations. So alright, as you can see over here, we have a prompt box in which we have to write any prompt. We have got a prompt improver over here. Obviously, we can also select aspect ratio over here. Alright, so I've given a prompt to it. We can also, just apply prompt improver over here. So I'm going to be just enabling this option. So let's just straight away generate this image. So the image of our prompt has been generated. Like the quality of the image and all the details are really top notch. So you guys can just imagine what you can create with this AI tool. So additionally, you guys can see over here, we have different style options over here. So from here, we can choose any different style for which we have to generate any image. So you can also see joyful 3D over here. I mean, there are many multiple styles over here, so you can choose whatever you want. So let's just choose any style from here and just generate the same image with that style. So I think that realistic would be good option for me. Alright, so our 4 previews of that image has been generated. So as you can see, we have 4 angles of this golden retriever. Let's look at the pictures and you can just figure out that how realistic approach and how realistic images this Dzine.ai can generate. So now, as I have told you about text to image generations, let's move ahead and just check image to image generation. So over here, as we can see, we have similar styles over here, but let me upload a picture real quick. So as you can see, I have Donald J. Trump over here. We can also remove the background from this option over here. So let's just try it out. So yeah, you can just have a look. I think the background was good enough. So just put it back. So alright, we have some multiple options over here. So number one, we have style box. So for this particular image, I would like to give it a cartoonic character style. So over here, as you guys can see, I have a cartoonic picture. So let's just give it a try. You can set the style intensity from medium to minimum. I would go for strong. The structure match would go in a suggested range over here, as we can see. So I'm not going to be changing it. Yes, I'm going to be enabling color match option and also enabling the face match option. So we have some more advanced options over here. You can give any negative prompt. Yeah, so as you guys can see, so I have a cartoonic image of Donald J. Trump over here. So we can just figure out which picture matches the best. I think this picture is really good. So I want to see more variations of this picture. So I'm going to be clicking over to number 4. Alright, so the 4 more variations have been appeared and they look really good in my opinion. So I would like to see this picture in a different style. So let's just pick any different style from here. So I want to see a sketchy picture of Donald Trump. So I'm going to be selecting this sketch elegance over here, or let's generate this picture now. Alright, so as you guys can see, so the sketches of this picture has been generated. These sketches are really good in my opinion. Alright, so by now you guys should know how this tool works and how you can boost your creativity using Dzine AI. So let me just give you more examples with different images. So I have the picture of 2 goats over here, Messi and Ronaldo. So let me select any style that I want to create with this image. I think the magic portrait would go really good for this style. So let me just select this. So let's just generate straight away. So wow guys, I know you guys would be really surprised to see these kind of images of your favorite footballers. I mean 2 goals in the same frame. This image is looking really good. So let me just create some more variations from this picture. Alright, so some more variations of that picture are also given with a different background. So now I'm pretty much sure you guys had an idea about how to use this AI tool to enhance your creativity. Alright, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.